In this series of tutorials, we're going to look at handling type, designing it, and setting up some hierarchy to help the reader move through content. And we're using InDesign because InDesign, out of the three software, Illustrator, Photoshop, InDesign is really the power tool when you're handling a lot of text, whether it's for digital or whether it's for print. So when you open up this document, I want to point out a couple things. Up here from Window, you want to set your workspace for typography. And then I want to show you really quickly in this first phase what we've got here in this document. Let's take a look at pages here. We've got two pages here. We've got page 1, which has this kind of reference image here. And page 2 has, if you click on it, you'll see it has some information available to students that I'm mentioning it in the tutorials, but it's also here for you to refer to. But let's go back to page 1 and let's take a look at how this menu works. If I click here, it just slides it back into the stack of tools that fall in the category of typography workspace. That's all this is. It's the way Adobe is setting up information for you when you are working heavily with typography. But let's go down to the second window here. Let's click on layers and let's see that we've got two layers here. We've got one that's just called the example to match, which is locked. But up here is the layer you want to actively click on because that's where you're going to do your work. Now, when the assignment is done, you could click this off and you could hide that example. That's how that works. So I just want to point that out. And remember, we'll click here to slide this back in the stack. And there is one other attribute, or one other feature I want you to open up here. And from Windows, just go down here and open up Properties. And you'll see that it adds another column here, and it's just Properties. So now with that in mind, let's just take a look at how we're going to take information and match it to this layout.